In this video, we are installing the rear fender on the CB750 Café project. We begin by mocking up where the fender should be mounted and then mark where the extra will be cut. Then at the workbench, we can finish making the cut line. This line needs to be perfectly square. Since the fender is curved, this part can be tedious. Once the cut line is complete, we can take an angle grinder and cut the fender down. We need to take our time to precisely follow the cut line. Then we can put a sanding disc on the angle grinder and clean up all the edges. I chose the round the corners to make things look cleaner. From there, we can get the welder ready and tack the fender on. Before fully welding the fender, we need to make sure it is completely centered. Everything checks out, so we proceed. To weld the rear of the fender, we first need to remove the paint. After the paint is removed, we can tack the rear of the fender to the hoop. Now that everything is tacked into place, we can clean some more of the paint off for additional welding. First by welding the front of the fender. And then by welding the rear to the hoop so it is completely stable. Just to make sure it's stable, I gave it a wiggle test and then added another weld. To finish the fender off, we clean the welds using a sanding disc. We need to make sure not to remove too much of the weld, but we also need to make sure it looks nice. When all the grinding is done, you end up with something like this. Thanks for watching. More videos will be added on Thursdays.